Oh my goodness. There's a lot of things opening, and look what just opened down here in Cherry Grove. Let's go check it out. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and once again, we're down here at the Cherry Grove Pier. It is finally open after so many seasons, and I know y'all are excited and can't wait to see it. It looks like there's people fishing, and people are walking on the pier and everything. It's windy and about, 68 degrees?
It is about
and
68.
Partly sunny with a bit of clouds on the side.
And they said that it may only be 2/3 of the way open.
2/3 is better than no thirds.
2/3 is better than no thirds.
Here's your snacks, and here's your sunscreen, and your sunglasses,
And all your fishing supplies are in
and
here
your
too.
fishing rods, and they even have rain jackets that you would come in handy today, fishing hat in case you forget yours, our sun hats, and they also have some t-shirts. And for those of you who like to play in the sand, like beatbox, there's always, that's right, a sand bucket.
Right.
Now, without further ado, let's go check out the pier. So it costs a lot to recuperate it, and it's $3 per person to get out there on the pier, he said. We're not to disclose the price, but it was a lot. We need $3 from every person that gets on here. And that's a discount, huh? This is the grand opening that all of y'all been waiting on. Let's go check it out. Come on, beatbox.
So here's the rules.
All rides must have a ticket. No shark fishing, no running, no littering, no skateboards, no whiskey, liquor, or wine. Oh, dang. No drunkenness, no foul language, and no cast net except designated by the pier. And they also have to my left, right.
And restrooms.
Yes, men and women's.
So now it costs $3 to walk on here because it's a private pier. They don't have any, they don't get any federal, state, or local funding. So it's going to cost money so they can do like these repairs.
And you can smell that good fresh wood too. Look at there. And it's not your drinks. This does go up and down.
That's right. Up and down.
Up and down the merry-go-round.
So here's a look back at Myrtle Beach. What, the shells?
Yeah.
I know.
And look at all the surfers.
Wow.
Yeah. That's true. And so look at all this fresh wood, and it's rather wide. So if you look, there's one side to me. So I would say about 10, 11, 12 feet?
Shoot, this thing looks like 14.
Okay.
Maybe 16.
16 feet wide.
So here's a lot of the new boards.
Yep. It has lighting on the pier, so that's a good thing.
I was trying to find that area that was busted in the middle. We may have already passed it.
I think so. May have been right here where it goes up.
So she said it was partly cloudy and chances of rain. That looks like a little rain cloud right there.
Yeah, it does. So you might want to bring some chairs because there's no little benches on the side where you can sit right now. In about 3 weeks, they're going to put little benches out here so that you'll have a place to sit. But until then, you can bring your own chair until they get their benches out here.
So when you do pay, they give you a little wristband to let you know that you paid. Y'all catching anything? Not yet.
Oh, so this might be the closure right down there at the end.
Mm-hmm. So it is 2/3.
Yeah, you were right. Ooh,
Wow.
that doesn't happen often.
It doesn't happen often, does it?
Ooh, I just felt it raining.
Did you?
And hopefully we won't get struck by lightning.
Yeah, right.
All right, let's go over here and let's see if we can catch some of them.
See if they can catch a wave.
Go, 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 go. Look at you.
Wow.
Oh, that was neat.
Not only do they have to catch it, they have to not hit people.
They got to get away from each other, don't
Look at
they? Oh, look at them. Ooh. Yeah, good job. Wow.
Oh,
We're coming up on the edge, and he said $3, and there's still a little ways to go.
Right. So your money will go to good causes, right?
That's right.
It'll go to repair this.
And this one is an all-wood pier. There are no cement pillars. There you go.
That's right.
Oh, I see them.
So, not really sure whenever they'll have it complete, but
At least
maybe
it's
soon.
open.
At least you get a little bit of it, huh? That's right.
All right. And they look like they got a double stack porch down there on the end of this pier. So that's pretty cool.
She'll look back. Look, he's trying to feed him by hand. All the way to Cherry Grove Point. Here's a look. Myrtle Beach, Surfside, Garden City. Swinging all the way down to Myrtle's Inlet. You can see through the fog.
And just remember, if you need drinks and bait and tackle, there is a little store that you walk through to pay your $3 whenever you come in.
Right, and I feel it raining.
And there's parking across.
Oh yeah, parking for the fishing pier
is on the first and second floor.
Right in this parking garage right here. Right across the street.
And there is a restaurant. So if fishing has made you hungry and you are starving, you can always mosey on over to Driftwoods, which is right here at the Cherry Grove Pier. So there you have it. That was a look at the Cherry Grove Pier. That's 2 piers in 1 month. Can't beat that.
Right here in Cherry Grove Beach.
Something you've all been waiting on. So if you're ready to come fishing, they already have set up for fishing where you can go ahead and get your fishing lines ready because you can have a good time. And make sure you bring lots of sunscreen and maybe an umbrella.
That's right. And some chairs.
Yes.
Until they get benches if they get them. But we hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, how about give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.
And make sure you comment to show the love because we're loving all those comments that you're making. And that is wonderful. That helps our channel grow.
That's right. So until next time,
keep beaching. And see you in the next video.
Or on a pier.
True.
And they said that it may only be 2/3 of the way open.
2/3 is better than no thirds.
2/3 is better than no thirds.
And there you go, repeating everything I say.
Is there such thing as a no thirds?
And this is the grand finale all of y'all been waiting on.
No, the grand opening. And they wear black so they'll look like seals so the sharks will eat them.
Oh, well, I know we're going to surf out here.
Now it's time for us to disappear.